bodies woke us up thinking it was like, you know, what it was like 8 a.m. or something. We both woke up at 5 a.m. here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna head to the Bellagio to, you know, explore it. Mimi's still getting ready, but we decided to be a little spontaneous today. And we're gonna go to the concierge to book, what are we booking?
Michael Jackson, Cirque du Soleil.
Yes, so we're gonna go get tickets to Michael Jackson, the Cirque du Soleil show that features Michael Jackson's music tonight at 9:30. So, yay, we're so excited, yay. Yay. My love for Cirque du Soleil runs deep, so I'm so excited. So we're gonna see if they can book us tickets tonight. So, talk to you soon.
Took a quick detour on our little morning walk to the Cosmopolitan, and it had a 2-story chandelier that had a bar in the middle of the chandelier, and it was just so pretty. And good news, a little detour of ours. We went to the concierge, found out we got the tickets cheaper for Michael Jackson online, so we've gotten our tickets, and we're gonna go there tonight, and that's at Mandalay Bay. But we stopped at the Cosmopolitan, and now we're heading towards the Bellagio, so let's go.
During our short visit to the Bellagio, we stopped at the Bellagio Conservatory. The Bellagio Conservatory consists of extravagant floral displays that are changed 5 times a year for Chinese New Year, spring, summer, harvest time, and the holidays. The floral arrangement on display when we visited was called Indian Summer, and it consisted of over 45,000 flowers.
Of course, we're walking through the Bellagio, and we wanted to see how far the entrance was to the O Theater. And you can see behind me there's an O. Yay, there's an O. And that's where we're going to enter tomorrow night. But what's interesting is that there's kind of like a little art exhibit before you actually go to the main level entrance. So if you turn it around, say, "Hi, Mom." Just a line of sculptures before you get there. Are you excited? We made a little stop to the Cirque store and we got souvenirs. So I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
It's pretty cool in here, don't you think? Pretty legit. I'm so excited. Are you so excited? I'm so excited. Oh, that was a cool one. Are you so excited? I'm so excited. One more time. Are you so excited? Alright. So this is kind of like the entrance, and of course you'll see my mother. Hi. And then the entrance is right here. And this is the O Theater. And then of course out here is all the slot machines from the Bellagio, but there's the O Theater. And there's the Cirque du Soleil store that we just spent some money at. I did. One more time. Are you excited?
Not excited for you.
Right.
Our next stop was the Mob Museum. We were not allowed to take video of the top 3 floors of the museum, but we were allowed to film in the speakeasy downstairs. Take a look.
We are currently in the Mob Museum. A big part of mob and mocking history is about from the dictionary. And the mob became as big as it is because they had connections with bootleggers. And so with the bootleggers, they would create spaces, basically bars, where they called them speakeasies back then. So they were hidden in plain sight, basically, and mobsters and people of the regular community would come down and drink because that was the only place that was available during the Prohibition era. So the Mob Museum that we're at, they have one of these. They have a speakeasy. It's in the bottom of the Mob Museum. There are 3 floors that are just history, and then there's a 4th floor, like at the bottom, the basement floor. That's the speakeasy and distillery. So I highly recommend you come here. We got some mixed drinks and some wine. It was very good. So come on down to the speakeasy. This is the Mob Museum, where we just spent the last 4 hours. And we had a great time. We couldn't record the first 3 floors, the top 3 floors, but we did record the speakeasy that was downstairs. Now, fun fact about this building is that the Kefauver trials were held in this building. And if you don't know anything about mob history, like I did before I walked in here, the Kefauver trials is what brought the mob into the public eye. Everyone thought they were a myth, but whenever they had the Kefauver trials here in Las Vegas, Nevada, they realized this was not a myth. Excuse the horse. They realized that the mob was not a myth. They openly talked about all of the criminal underground in these trials. So this building is very important, and they transformed it into the Mob Museum. And fun fact, since the Kefauver trials anniversary was today, we didn't know about that. We all Nevada residents got in for free. We had buy one get one free tickets, and the drinks in the speakeasy were 20% off. So we have good timing.
Now we're leaving the Mob Museum and we're walking down the street to the Fremont Experience.
So we just visited Fremont Street very shortly. It was a little hectic, so we decided to come back here and relax a bit. And now we're heading to Mandalay Bay to go see our first Cirque du Soleil show of the trip. You ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Michael Jackson
Yep.
won.
It's the Michael Jackson 1 Cirque du Soleil show.
Yay!
As we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out.
Last night, we went from Fremont Street back to here, just to relax for a little bit. And then we went to the amazing Michael Jackson 1 show by Cirque du Soleil. And
And it was at Mandalay Bay.
yeah. So we weren't able to film anything past security. So we're gonna add in little snippets of, the part when you're walking into the 1 theater. They call it the Michael Jackson 1 theater. But we weren't allowed to take our cameras out past that point.
Yeah, we just took a couple pictures at the end.
At the end, yeah.
Yeah.
So it was honestly a last minute decision, but I think it was a very, very, very good last minute decision.
It was an amazing decision.
Yeah.
It was such a wonderful show, and if you love Michael Jackson the way we do, you'll get emotional actually.
Yeah.
It was just.
We don't
we're
want
not tell anything, but
Yeah.
there's a couple parts where if you have a love for Michael Jackson, you will shed a tear.
Yeah. And they have all your favorite songs. Beat It, Thriller, Smooth Criminal, Dirty Diana, things like that. It was so good.
Yeah.
And you're just sitting there going, how are they doing that? How, like, the stage productions, the performers, the special effects, like, everything about it was so worth us going there and spending our time there. So definitely recommend you going there. We're gonna go to another Cirque du Soleil show. Well, if you're watching this one, it's on the next video. We're going to another Cirque du Soleil show, which is Cirque du Soleil O. So we're going to bring you along the rest of our trip. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so you will get to see the rest of the series. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Well, we're happy to take you along, and don't forget to journey on. Bye.
Bye.